Hi there everyone. Today another tutorial. In tutorial vibes, issues come and go. So basically, CapCut, even though I made the non-update thing, because there's an option where you can fake the update to allow yourself to always keep the same version of CapCut, because I don't want to update my CapCut. There's this YouTuber right here that explained very easily how to stop the auto update, which is what I did some time ago. But my issue is that when you turn on CapCut, even though there's no update, you'll notice on the bottom right here that suddenly it wants to download a lot of stuff, like a shit ton of stuff. And this thing happens every time. Every time you open CapCut, you finish to edit, you turn to the home, boom, it wants to update. It wants to do something with your megabytes, which is a lot also of consumage. And so I try to find a really simple answer, and the simple answer is called SimpleWall. Basically, SimpleWall is a firewall that basically catch everything that wants to connect on your network. I already tested the app, it's normal like this. So basically, you need to it's super simple, don't worry about it. Once you download it, you just need to do apply filter, make it permanent as long as you want to keep it, disable the Windows firewall, habilitate the rules, and basically once CapCut turns on, you will there will be two separate processes that will happen. One, capcom.exe, and two is vdector.exe. With this firewall on, once you turn on CapCut, basically it works like the same. It's no more connected to the internet, and as you can see, the download, it's no more eaten up, like for whatever reason. So now I already applied the rules. I'll just showcase what happens with firewall in case you don't have the rules already applied. Let's just say delete. Yes, and delete. Okay, what will happen when you turn on now CapCut is that the firewall will catch something, and this something is v detector, which is not the version detector. It's the engine that says if your PC can handle CapCut. This one you should apply it, or yes. The next one, no. The next one you don't want to allow this. And now you can go back to seeing simple firewall, vdector is on, the CapCut is blocked. And now you can enjoy CapCut without eating a shit ton of your space out of nowhere. This is the vdector working. As you can see, the gigabyte, megabyte are not consumed, it's just controlling it. Allow, yes. As you can see, your PC is ready to use CapCut with no problem. And there you go. You can use CapCut now without any issue. Even once you close it, it doesn't download. I personally love to use CapCut, which is the more really good one to use, because others are much more too much to manage. The only shame is that now CapCut has so many premium features, which the version before was free and now it's premium. This issue was going about already last year. Oh, I edited today the Left 4 Dead 2 video and saw it that holy damn, 10 megabytes of download. I hope it's fast, and it consumed like 500 megabytes for nothing. I couldn't allow it. So hope this video was useful, and once again wish you a nice day, weekend, and take care. Bye.